You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. For more confusing medical terms and pronunciations, correct pronunciations in English, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We've got many to learn here. Glycemia. 3 syllables. Glycemia. Glycemia. Stress on that second syllable. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar here. The concentration of sugar or glucose in the blood. Glycemia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.